Hey there, clutter crushers. Welcome back to the JJs Declutter Podcast, Fractured Fairy Tale Edition, where we don't just spill tea, we store it properly and bring extra napkins.
Especially today because we're heading out for a picnic with the queen of prep herself, Henny Penny. But her fine feathered friends? Let's just say it's not all sunshine and sandwiches.
We've got crumbs, chaos, and coolers gone rogue. So fluff your picnic blanket and let's dive into
Henny Penny's Picnic Panic.
Act 1, the perfectly prepped Henny. Picture it. A sunny Saturday morning, and Henny Penny is already up with the birds, literally,
Well, duh.
running through a checklist longer than a goose's neck.
And this list includes everything: sandwiches wrapped in beeswax paper, fruit packed in a chilled container, lemonade in a spill proof jug, folding chairs, SPF 50, and even biodegradable napkins.
Oh, and don't forget the car, spotless. She vacuumed under the seats, organized the trunk with labeled totes, and yes, she wiped the dashboard with a lavender scented cloth.
This chicken was channeling her inner Marie Kondo. No fossilized fries or melted crayons, just serene, spotless poultry power. Act 2: Friends with foul play. Foul. But then the friends arrived. Let's just say not everyone got the memo.
Goosey Lucy pulled in first, leaving a glitter trail and a puff of cheese dust behind her. She invited Henny to sit on a juice box and half a granola bar somewhere in her backseat jungle.
Then there was Turkey Lurkey. His trunk popped open like a jack in the box of chaos. Tupperware with mystery contents, a wobbly casserole from who knows when, and a rogue sock.
Last came Ducky Lucky with a cooler that looked like it had hosted a sauna. One limp celery stick and enough condensation to fill a kiddie pool.
All Henny could do was blink slowly and clutch her hand sanitizer.
Act 3, the great picnic reveal. Once everyone unpacked, Henny realized she was hosting a picnic at the intersection of mild food. Let me say it right, shall I? Once everyone unpacked, Henny realized she was hosting a picnic at the intersection of mild food poisoning Avenue and expiration date Boulevard.
One friend used a hoodie as a tablecloth. Another offered mustard with questionable origins. And
Oh,
someone tried to pass off melted string cheese as a delicacy.
that's when Henny had her heroic moment. She swooped in with her chilled quiche, color coded snack bins, and emergency backup utensils.
And let's be honest, she didn't just save the day, she saved the entire digestive system of her picnic pals.
Henny's motto: you can't leave mayo in a car. That's how the cluck flu starts. Did you notice I said that very slowly so I didn't mispronounce?
So, time to take a break from the picnic pandemonium for our first bonus segment: the car chaos cleanout checklist.
Woohoo! All right. Number 1, empty all food related items weekly. No more snack fossils. Number 2, keep a small bin in the trunk stocked with trash bags, wipes, and paper towels. We also put flatware in there too. Sign a cooler just for road trips, pre-stock with ice packs. Use seat back organizers instead of turning the passenger floor into a storage dungeon. And number 5, Rotate your emergency snacks quarterly because stale crackers equal sadness in a wrapper.
If your car looks like a raccoon broke into a vending machine, it's time to declutter.
Act 4, the picnic redemption. Back at the park with a little Henny help, the crew got their act together.
They tossed the hoodie, binned the mystery dip, and sanitized everything but the squirrels.
And at last, on a checkered cloth, under a shady tree, they enjoyed chilled fruit kebabs, sparkling lemonade, and dignity.
They even played a round of frisbee with the lid from Henny's quiche container. Of course, because decluttered is delightful.
So let's give you a little bonus, the Cooler Chronicles. So this is the Cooler Chronicles food safety for outdoor eating.
So, top tips from the beak of Henny Penny herself. Number 1, keep cold foods below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2, label your cooler and don't open it 32 times an hour. Number 3, use frozen water bottles as dual purpose ice packs. Number 4, keep raw meat separated from ready to eat goodies. And number 5, the golden rule, no food should sit out for more than 2 hours or 1 hour in heat over 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you wouldn't eat it indoors, don't eat it from the trunk of a sun-baked SUV.
Yeah, that's the truth. Act 5, cleaned up closing. By the end of the day, they had full bellies, clean cars, and no foodborne regrets.
Henny Penny showed everyone that preparedness isn't just practical, it's picnic worthy.
And the friends even planned a second outing with a car cleaning club on the side.
Perfect. So here's to fresh food, fresh air, and finally cleaning the back seat.
Bonus segment number 3, prep and pack for the perfect picnic. Whether you're spreading out on the grass, parking it at a picnic table, or plopping down on the beach, every picnic needs a little prep magic.
Let's break it down by terrain, shall we? Grab your metaphorical baskets, people. It's time for
Park versus grass versus beach picnic prep showdown.
on the grass. Ah, the classic shady patch under a tree. Sounds dreamy until ants RSVP uninvited.
Picnic like a pro. Use a waterproof picnic blanket with a padded bottom. Pack bug spray and natural repellents like peppermint oil wipes. Bring low chairs or stadium cushions. Your tush will thank you.
We actually use bounce dryer sheets when we go out because it keeps the bees away. So that's a pro tip. And and use a tray or a baking sheet for drinks so they don't tip over into the turf.
That's a good tip. I never thought of that. At the park, picnic tables. Picnic tables seem easier, but they come with their own quirks.
Pack these disinfecting wipes for that mystery goo on the table, a plastic tablecloth with clips. Wind is not your friend. And use stacked containers to keep the table clutter free.
And don't forget a trash bag or two. Some parks are bring in, pack out zones.
Very true. So now let's move to the beach. On to the beach. The beach, beauty, breeze, and sand in your sandwiches. It gives sandwiches an entirely new definition, doesn't it?
Yep. Your anti sand strategy: pack food in zippered or hard shell containers. Use a fitted sheet with weighted corners to make a sand free zone. Bring a small hand broom or baby powder for sandy feet.
Also, freeze drinks the night before. They'll keep your cooler cold and melt into refreshing sips.
Bottom line, tailor your picnic prep to your location. A little planning means less chaos and fewer raisins where grapes should be.
And that's how you avoid your own version of picnic panic.
Oh, before you go, it's time for our sizzling side note, barbecue without the burnout, because nothing spoils a park cookout like melted marshmallows on the seat buckle and mystery meat in the back seat.
If you're grilling at the park, here's your quick prep punch list. Number one, scout ahead. Does the park even have grills? Are they clean? Do you need charcoal or is it gas hookup only? And by that, I mean, are you bringing your own little gas grill? Number two, line it up. Pack foil to line the grates. Your burgers will thank you. And bring a sturdy grill brush for mystery grime from last weekend's hot dogs. You can also use your foil. Just make it into a ball and use that to rub on the grill. It's better than having a metal. The metal bristles can be really dangerous. So if you have plastic bristles, great, or you can use aluminum foil balled up.
Meat management. Raw meats must ride in their own cooler, or at least ziplock them separately. So the meat juices don't mix with the ice as it melts, because I've seen that happen.
Yeah.
Label it, keep it closed. Bonus points for a color-coded system. Red lid equals raw, blue lid equals beverages.
Number four, grill gear. So you're going to want your tongs, spatulas, a meat thermometer, heat safe gloves, a lighter or matches, and a small fire extinguisher if you want to be the MVP of meat safety.
And number 5, post-grill plan. Bring a heat-proof tray to rest your hot goodies on, and don't forget foil or containers to pack up leftovers without barbecue sauce getting everywhere.
And finally, cleanup counts. Trash bags, wet wipes, a jug of water can turn a greasy disaster into a graceful exit.
Grill it, chill it, label it, and don't let the hot dogs roll under your car seat.
This has been Barbecue Without the Burnout, because nobody wants a side of salmonella with their s'mores. So what's today's big takeaway from Henny Penny's Picnic Panic? A little prep can save your picnic and your poultry.
Keep your food cool, your car clear, and your friends honest about expiration dates.
Thanks for joining us for another tale from the Clutter Coop. Until next time,
Keep it simple,
keep it intentional.
and as always, keep
Keep decluttering.
decluttering.